This site is actually the former Muskegon dump, believe it or not. So for the restoration, we looked at removing garbage, rock, concrete, steel, boulders. We found asbestos out here, pretty much you name it across the board.
The How Coalition was able to harness the advocacy of 200 NGOs and advocate for Great Lakes Restoration, or the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative, GLRI. And GLRI has provided over $300 million a year for the last 15 years to the Great Lakes region, and it allows the funds to clean up and restore and revitalize these harbors. And what we also saw today is this revitalization, people turning their face back to the river. We're getting breweries, we're getting marinas, we're getting apartment buildings, people that want to come back and connect. We saw a lot of kayakers tonight on our way out here.
It's a unifying fact. You're proud to be from the Great Lakes. You're from Michigan, the Great Lakes state. And we think they're great. It's something for everyone to enjoy, regardless of your economic status, your place in society. Everyone has the same footing on this lake. Like, it's everybody's lake. Everybody. It's a bipartisan issue. I mean, that's how GRI was funded. Republicans, Democrats, it doesn't make any difference. We're all in the boat, so it's all of our responsibility to take care of it.
Seeing the concerted effort of so many members of our community and differing agencies at all different levels of government and working together and having invested over $100 million to get Muskegon Lake cleaned up and restored, that now allows new development patterns and new uses and new access. And so most fundamentally is something that our community can gravitate towards and enjoy.
Muskegon Lake has always been an engine for this community, and going back to the lumber era and the economic engine it was back then, with 47 sawmills around the lake, and then moving from that, phasing into the industrial era. With that came a lot of degradation to the lake. And we as an agency have been able to be part of cleaning that up and really setting the stage and turning the page of Muskegon Lake to its new future. And we're so excited and proud to be a part of that.
People are drawn now to these lakes and rivers, and they want to enjoy them. They see them as a big part of the quality of life in the Great Lakes region, and also economic drivers. But that is all because of the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative and the federal dollars that have been coming to the region.